Great Lakes Ventures, let's dive in. Great Lakes Ventures, let's dive in. Great times, great vibes, let the fun begin. From the shoreline to the open blue, this journey's made for me and you. Great Lakes Ventures, come along for the ride.
Hey everyone, welcome. I have a package. I just received it and I'm gonna open it with you guys. Ready? This is heavy. One here. Alright, so this is a epoxy resin and this is a kit. Let's see what's in this one. Oh, wow. So here we have some tubes, we have some molds, gloves, measuring cup, spatulas, tweezer, we have some sparklers, sprinklers, decorative stuff. We have silver, gold, and bronze. And then we have our epoxy resin A and B. And this is 9 ounces. We also have some glitter. And we also have molds again, and flowers, and most importantly, instruction. All right, so all these came in the kit, but I also purchased just a resin alone. Because this was just 9 ounces, I know it wasn't going to do a lot of jobs, so I got more. Oh, these are table covering. This is very useful when using these. And gloves, measuring cups. These are spatulas, covers for the resin, 32 ounce, A and B, and these are just probably to smooth it off. Yeah, so basically the reason why I got these is I have a few flowers that I really wanted to preserve, especially my peony, and I have got inspiration from so many people, all of Shay and Just Skinner and the Queen Kevnish of resin. Thank you all. I love watching your channel, and yeah, I'm gonna show you all what I'm going to do with these stuff, so stay tuned. Okay, firstly to begin, I'm gonna tell you this is my first time and it was an epic fail. So I put in the part A, part B, I measured it, and I'm not a girl that's good with measurement, so yeah, that's not my strong suit. So I put them in the bigger measuring cup and give it a little spin, and then I started to decorate my mold with gold. It was a bad idea. Now I need some advice, because tell me why these flowers turn green after it was all done. Like, why? What was the point of it turning green? So any advice you guys have? What should I have done better? Yeah, I need help, because I have absolutely no clue. I've just watched a few videos and I thought, oh my gosh, this is so cool. And I really loved my peonies, and I was like, oh, how could I preserve this, And I thought, why not use resin? So here I was, and apparently I am a novice, of course, and yeah, I didn't get the job done. So I was like putting the final touch on the mold. I had to mix some more because it wasn't enough, and then I used some glitter. I'm a kind of glitter girly girl, and this is the end result. And tell me why it looks so ugly. The top part, it seems as if it needed more. I thought it was filled to the brim. Obviously not. And y'all gotta give me some advice of how to get the resin out of the mold, because I was struggling so much to get it out. Like, is there a technique? I don't know, but man, it was so difficult. And then when it was finally out, I was so sad, because it was not what I expected. The color of the petals changed to green. I don't know what's the point in that. Why did it change? I don't know, maybe it's a chemical reaction or something of the sort. But guess what? I will do some more practice until I am, a pro at resin. I put some gold sparkles inside the mold. I would not recommend that because it didn't make it visible, and you will see it at the end. But hey, leave your comment, like, share, subscribe to my channel, and give me all the tips that you can give me, guys. See you in the next video.